Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at how just one split second can change everything on the road. From ignoring the rules to losing control in tough conditions, these clips are a powerful reminder that safety must always come first. Now witness impatience at its finest. The white car tries a desperate cut-in, clips the rear, and boom. Instant karma. Trying to save 5 seconds just cost him his entire vehicle. Oh my God, check out the pedestrian on the sidewalk. That car came out of nowhere. He walked away mere milliseconds before impact. That is absolutely terrifying luck. This gives me serious Final Destination vibes. The rig hits the structure and the roof collapses instantly. Talk about being in the wrong place at the wrong time. Highway chaos. One mistake triggers a domino effect. See that debris? It's like a scene from an action movie, but way more expensive. Winter roads are unforgiving. That semi jackknifed, turning its trailer into a giant sweeping weapon. That sliding steel missed the camera car by inches. Keep an eye on this cement mixer. He attacked that corner way too aggressively. Physics always wins against a high center of gravity. The nearby driver barely escaped being crushed. Here is a nightmare scenario. A high-speed tire blowout flips this massive hauler. The destruction blocks the entire road in a blink. Absolutely devastating. Wait for it. Ouch. That was a violent impact. The driver clearly wasn't scanning the road ahead until it was too late. Distracted driving is the silent killer. Secure your cargo. That container slid off like a bar of soap. Someone is definitely getting fired for that one. Another wet road catastrophe. The speeding SUV loses traction and wipes out the innocent car in the next lane. Totally unfair. Who do you think is at fault? The SUV or the weather? Green means go, but red means stop.
Oh my God.
That dark SUV ran the light and paid the price with a 360-degree spin. That car is totaled.
Howard not being passed back, and that's what it says in the book. So that the guy reporting on that is not wrong. I've seen a million reports.
Oh my God!
I decided to go on the air and not tell Jay.
Okay, this is just bizarre. Did his GPS say turn right into the pool? He plowed through the fence and went for a dip. I have so many questions. You can't see a thing. Driving into a wall of smoke is a suicidal mission. Look at that pileup. When visibility drops to zero, just stop. Sir, you can't park there. That SUV climbed the wall like it was an off-road challenge. I think he pushed the wrong pedal. And finally, the classic blind spot blunder. The truck merged right into the sedan. If you can't see the mirrors, they can't see you. Thanks for watching. Drive safe.
โอ้ยโอ้ย